Hey everyone, guess what we're going to do today? Oh, I've knocked something over. We're going to be testing these two mascaras out. Now, I've already used Badgal before, but I got this new one here from Benefit, which is called Badgal Bounce. So let's try them out. The first thing I'm going to do is curl my lashes. The trick with curling your lashes is to actually make sure that you curl them long enough. 30 seconds, 60 seconds, a week. Okay, so let's start with a new one first. We'll start with Bounce. Now, this has a really nice brush to it. It's really quite nice. So let's see. I'm shocking, by the way, at applying mascara to myself because I get it instantly all over myself. I'm pretty good when it comes to you, but me, really not very good at all. So this is one coat, and I'm really just combing through. So I don't know if you can see that. That's really nice. I know I've got it all over my bloody lid. You know, what can I say? I'm not very good. That's really nice. I'm going to do another one. Do you think my partner is going to zoom right in when I do this? Guess we'll see. Here we go. That's really nice. Apart from the bit on my eyelid, that's really nice. So let's do the other eye. And let's do the original Badgal. So give it a squeeze. Okay, so we'll do the original Badgal. So you can see it's a totally different mascara wand. I should have knocked off some of the mascara, and that's my own fault and not the mascara. Yep, it's my own fault. So, let's have a look. Which one do you prefer? We've got Badgal here or Badgal Bounce. I think I prefer Badgal. I think I prefer the original. I'm going to do a second coat of the Bounce just to see. Let's just have a look. I might change my mind. Let's have a look now. Oh, I don't know. You let me know. So, Badgal. That's Badgal, and that is Badgal Bounce. Both are actually really good. When I take my mirror back here, both look really nice. You let me know what you think is best. Both pretty good though. Thanks very much, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.